Digitizing maintenance manuals and SOPs can be a big headache, but it gives you a competitive edge by standardizing maintenance processes, increasing their efficiency, and capturing data for decisions. With mobile procedure generation, MaintainX helps you streamline and standardize maintenance operations using AI. It empowers maintenance managers to create, plan, and track maintenance work with ease, and helps technicians be safe, efficient, and productive. Generate procedures on the facility floor using speech to text, and by taking photos of assets, manuals, or SOPs. Then, just review and edit any details, and you're back to work. With your procedures digitized in the way the work is really done, you'll capture more accurate maintenance data, make every technician a seasoned pro, and empower smarter decisions about how to plan and improve operations to maximize production capacity and eliminate wasted spend. Less headaches, more productive work. Trust the heavy lifting to the #1 rated maintenance and asset management platform. Try MaintainX today.